Welcome back to our channel, where we provide helpful tips and tricks for Windows 10 users. In today's video, we'll show you how to hide the mouse cursor while typing in Windows 10. This can be particularly useful if you find the mouse cursor distracting while working on important tasks. So, let's get started. Step 1. Press the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Step 2. Type Control Panel in the search bar and press Enter to open it. Step 3. In the Control Panel window, click on the Mouse option. This will open the Mouse Properties dialog box. Step 4. Inside the Mouse Properties dialog box, navigate to the Pointer Options tab at the top. Step 5. Among the various options available, look for the checkbox that says Hide Pointer while typing. Check this box to enable the feature. That's it! You have successfully hidden the mouse cursor while typing in Windows 10. Now you can focus on your work without any distractions caused by the mouse cursor. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Windows 10 tutorials and troubleshooting guides. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.